Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today we can discuss find missing number in array. Suppose in array we need to find out the missing number. This is an important question in interviews. First I will create the class. Class name is missing number. Then I will create a main method. Then I will initiate the I and total value. Then I will initiate A of I equal to bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6. We will enter this value. 4 is not available. With that one we can need to find out. Then I will give length of the array. I will take first length of the array and I will create for loop int k equal to 0, k less than length k plus plus. Then I will create total equal to total minus a of I of k. Before this one I need to do one thing. Total equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 2. So now I will check the output of this program. Missing number total. Now run and check the output. What is the output of 4? 4 is the output. So 4 is a missing number. That is correct. That's why here it should display 4 value. This way we need to write the missing number. See, missing number. This is very important question for interviews. In interviews asking this type of question, just can remember and if you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.